What's up guys, welcome back to So Much More Cooking with me, Gabrielle Ntumba Kan, and today we're cooking something super delicious that my mother taught me recently. It's eggplants, the small white eggplants. I think you call them aubergine. We're mixing it with prawns. So if you're here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified each time I put out a cooking video. So please, let's not waste time and let's begin. Alright, so to start this recipe, what we'll have to do is you have to wash your aubergine first and wash your prawns until really clean. And what we're doing is we're removing the green top here and throwing it, and we're slicing this by two. So this is going to be done in no time. You remove it and then we slice it by two like this. Last but not least, we're taking the last one and alright, so that was the last one. Let's begin with the cooking. Alright, so to start cooking this, it's really simple. We're going to put in a little bit of oil in our cooking pan. After putting in some oil, then we're going to put in our onion and green pepper. Just a little bit for the first frying. So we mix our onion and green pepper and fry it a little bit. Then we're frying our aubergine or nyanya as we call it back home. Alright, you fry this for about 5 to 10 minutes depending on the heat of your stove. And once you see that they have fried, have turned a little bit golden brown, then you remove, and then we're going to make our sauce. Alright, now onto our sauce. We're going to put back some oil. We're going to put back in our pan some oil for frying, followed by our onion and remaining green peppers. Then we're putting in our tomatoes. This is about 2 tomatoes, 2 medium tomatoes. I'm frying in a quarter green pepper, half an onion, and 2 medium tomatoes. Then I'm going to add in our tomato sauce. 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. After the tomato sauce, we're going to put in our spice. I'm putting in 2 teaspoons of my spice mix. I've mixed chicken, beef, and barbecue spice together, and I'm just gonna use 2 teaspoons of it. Then I'm going to add in a little bit of my chili spice, but of course this is optional. After you see that your tomatoes have cooked well and everything is well blended together, now we're going to add in our prawns. This is just gonna taste so good. But now, last but not least, I'm going to put in my aubergine or nyanya. Then we want to mix it together just to make sure all the tastes get together and the nyanya gets in the prawns and tomato mixture. The tomato sauce is just gonna give it a nice flavor. It won't taste like tomato sauce, but it just gives food this nice mysterious taste. So I'm just going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt. We just want everything to have this perfect taste. Then we mix it together And to get it to cook well, I'm gonna put in 1 cup of water or 250 milliliters of water. We're just gonna add water gradually, starting with half a cup of water, and when we notice, and if you notice that the water starts drying, then you're going to add the remaining half. So this took about 20 minutes to get ready. Now we are done with the cooking and it's time to serve. So there we go, that's it for today. We are done making our aubergine with prawns. Simple recipe but yet super delicious. Until next time, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more cooking videos like this one. Bye!